Hi everyone, nice to see you all again.
Yeah, it's nice to see you all again. The topic today is about the gaming revolution, and
Gaming revolution.
yeah, and we share to all of us about yeah. Uh, we share to all of us about this article on the Cointelegraph about record the revenues for the blockchain gaming company during the pandemic. Yeah, as people can see during the pandemic, the people stay at home, and of course they will spend a lot of time for the gaming. And this firm is behind. There's a ATF power game, the Sandbox. A lot of people thinking what is a NTF game is one of the blockchain gaming. They use a non-fungible token to play the game. Yeah. So let's check if people can. Let me say hello to our new audience. Hello, Mr. Sandwich Band. Yeah. Let me continue with the article. I Okay, and now I go down a little bit. Share more about the gaming blockchain hub NTF. We have been trying the NTF game last time. Do you remember, Mr. Nicholas? What the game we played last time?
NTF?
Yeah.
I cannot remember which game you're referring to.
That is a game in blockchain about some
the one that we play on from the Telegram channel, is it?
Yeah, that is a Crypto Kitty. Crypto Kitty.
No, the other one, Crypto Kitty.
Yeah.
There are so many games, so you must tell me which one.
The Crypto Kitty is one of the NTF games, and in this article they tell about the Crazy Defense Heroes. I also tried this Crazy Defense Hero is from Japanese company, and they also based on the NTF gaming. Yeah, and the revenue of this company during the 4 months of 2020 is 7.34 million. Yeah, a lot of people playing the game during the pandemic. The first quarter of the record now is in this article say the revenues of the company earn a lot of crypto access, and they earn during the pandemic, and they get a lot of revenues on it based on the gaming. Yeah. And
so in NTF means no transaction fee, right?
NTF means non-fungible token.
Non-fungible token. Okay.
Yeah. Non-fungible token. Here
NFT. You're talking about NTF. I keep thinking, what is NTF?
NFT. Yeah.
Just in case some of the viewers they are closing their eyes, they are listening, then they're thinking.
Yeah.
NFT is a non-fungible token, right?
Yeah, NFT non-fungible token. You all can see from the screen. Okay. Let me continue. Let me continue and complete the article. Yeah, it say that property rights revolution of the NFT. Yeah, and NFT will help on gaming on the introduction of the property rights to the feudal Europe. We all can store the NFT token as the asset, and in the future, people can use the NFT token for to own some other tangible thing. in the future. Example, property and or some the other art. Yeah, it's really nice thing. Yeah, and this in the last part it say that the gaming become a cornerstone of the entertainment seeking the little. Yeah, in the long term. Yeah. Okay. I have completed this review article about the gaming based on NFT token. Yeah. Do you have any other news article you want to share to us, Mr. Nicholas?
At the moment, I don't have any special highlights for you.
Yeah.
So let's see what else you have for us.
Okay.
Then I'll follow through with that.
Okay.
What I think.
So what the next article we will discuss more about the bitcoins and we will discuss something news what's happening today, and I have choose very interesting article. It's about in Japan. In
What
Japan,
about
which
Japan?
that's a partner between two of the company, and they it's a bit flyer. Let me share to all of you here. Okay. You can see here. Okay. Big flyer partner with.
Bitflyer
Hello.
with
Hello, Mr.
Brave. Oh, they partner with Brave.
Hello,
Brave
Mr.
is
Coming here.
this browser that you shared with us before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, Let me discuss with some of the audience coming to us if we can if he can choose the live. Do you can live? Yeah, we we live and we discuss on the GC Meet. It's one of the it's a free app. The free app for the people can discuss on the technology. So let me share to you the link so you all can choose if you can discuss and talk with us. One of the audience. Yeah. Okay. Let me continue sharing to all of us about the partnership with the place. Last time, Mr. Nicholas shared to us about
Yeah.
the place. The
Brave.
place the place browser is one of the latest browser that no attachment and is adapt if you can use to if you use a Brave browser, you also can earn some of the token from Brave developer. Yeah. And in this article, say that Brave have found a major partner with the Japan explore the uh, this, Brave have found a major partner in Japan to explore the growing Japanese market with that's a big flyer. The biggest
Yeah.
crypto exchange in the Japan in the term of the trading volume.
They are from Japan.
Yeah.
Right.
No. Bitflyer is a crypto exchange in Japan, and they make a partnership with the Brave. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Because we also can see the Brave browser having partnership with Binance, and they integrate the Binance trading on their on their browser. Yeah. And the Brave browser is one of the privacy protecting browser. According to the announcement, Bitflyer and Brave will develop a crypto access wallet for the browser user. They will have the new crypto access. Some of the browser users they can earn more and more crypto access. No further details about the new crypto wallets have been made available. Japanese users of Glass browser are rewarded with the basic token. Yeah, it's a BAP, basic attention token points. Due to the regulation that prevent them from
I think our dear Richard is suddenly hang up again, or rather the internet speed is jamming up again for him. So, all right, Bitflyer crypto exchange. Yeah, now he's back. Hello, are you there? Your microphone.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Yes, welcome back. Welcome back, our Richard. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Nicholas, to let me know. I have been back because during the meeting. Okay. Hello, Mr. Thu Vui Phút hơi thở cuộc sống. Let me continue with the article and where are we now?
We are talking about the biggest crypto exchange in not Singapore, Japan.
Just now, after they make up together between the Bitflyer and Brave, they issued the new token. Is the PAP here. The PAP due to the regulation, it's prevent them to earn. Yeah.
I thought, we have a general election coming up.
yeah, it's so funny. Yeah.
Suddenly, wow, what are they doing with blockchain?
Yeah.
For all of you who don't know, PAP is one of the political party in Singapore, and right now Singapore we are having this general election, and this Friday all of us have to go and vote. So I got a surprise when I almost hear the word PAP here on blockchain.
So funny. And
back to you. You carry on.
Okay. With the
you scroll up a little bit, one paragraph. It says something like, okay, stop here. At this point, we're using points to reward user, but what is it? It's a bit below for me. I can't read.
But there are some limits.
Right, through the partnership, we think it may be possible to go beyond that. Right, so using points to reward users, I think this is okay. I think generally it's a safe move for Brave. I believe that any browser that is going along the line of using rewards, using points, and all this kind of structure that benefits user, I think that should be the way to go in a sense, because if they are going to use a lot of cash, and then people may just take the cash and run and not forget about Brave. But I believe that this Brave, as long as they keep their speed quick enough, as long as they keep their browser, like you mentioned earlier on, is supposed to be advertisement free, right? So as long as it is advertisement free, I believe that a lot more people will start using Brave, and I think this blockchain point reward system will become more popular.
I have tried to use the Place to receive the reward from Place. they send some of the token to view advertisement on the browser. Yeah,
Mm.
with the browser. Um, uh, uh, with the browser, if you can use the the browser and you keep watching some advertisement, and then the browser will reward you some of the points, and you can use that point to chase to earn more money. Okay,
Mm.
let me finish up the last part of the of the of this article. They say that Blazer growing popularity in Japan, and Blazer become increasing popular in Japan. Last month, Blaze partner with the Korean pop idol group is called the BTS, as well as the
BTS.
Bangtan Boys. Yeah,
Oh,
BTS
BTS.
is some of
It sounds,
the K-pop.
yeah, it sounds like, in Thailand, Bangkok, they have the train BTS. That's the first thing that came to my mind. But I
Oh,
think if Korean pop idol groups, music bands, and all these are coming into this, is this article trying to say that they are also moving into Korea or what?
no, they say the last month they have been partnership with the
Uh,
um, partnership with the Korean K-pop, and now they join Japan. They moving up
uh,
in Japanese, then Rushing Game, a Japanese esports team, to develop the browser exclusive for users in Japan. Yeah, and they use that means they will develop the Japanese version for Japanese. In the
for the
case of the
Russian.
Russian game, yeah,
Yeah.
Rush Gaming use a limited edition browser can earn the BAP by the watching ads. The BAP can be used to support the Rush Gaming esports team. Yeah, it's very nice news. And the last part of the when the big flyer said that Blaze is the BAT connected browser and browsing is an everyday activity. It will be a
What?
new opportunity for users to use and earn cryptocurrency, and we see it as a new model case to show the potential of a cryptocurrency. We want to make people feel more familiar with the cryptocurrency through the partnership with the press. Hello, the new audience coming to join our live stream today. Hello, Mr. Khang Nguyễn. Hello, Mr. Nhịp sống châu Âu. Hello, Mr. Thú vui phút hơi thở cuộc sống. Yeah, and Mr. Khang Nguyễn say hello to Mr. Thú vui phút hơi thở cuộc sống. In from today, I also have a news premiere for in Vietnamese speaking. The premiere is about unboxing some of the gifts, and at 8 p.m. tonight. Yeah, if you can join, Mr. Nicholas can join, but I will speak in Vietnamese. Yeah. Okay, let's find. Is there any nice article? Mr. Nicholas, should you share to me about some article about
Just a little bit.
the
I read
car?
I read something earlier, talking about, where is this, like, of talking about blockchain and cars. So this is
Yeah.
the little things that I noticed that they mention. If you Google this, they'll drive themselves to charging station, with all this blockchain technology behind these self-driving cars and all. So this is how car companies are using blockchain to their advantage. Right now, this is actually taken from BMW website. So I was just googling about self-driving car and blockchain, and then was
Oh,
thinking stuff like that.
so let
I think
me
this is pretty
Google.
interesting. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. So considering the fact that blockchain has even come into your cars, your transport, your machine, and things like that. So I think we are we can be hopeful that blockchain can be utilized more into other technologies and not just only cars, not just only gaming. I believe there are
Yeah.
so much more other things that blockchain can be used for. Yeah, so that's the amazing thing about technology. In the past, we are talking. We if you talk about in the past where during the industrial revolution, where governments, industries adopt machineries, adopt a lot of automation, automation technologies. They are cleaning the floor out there. Automation. So that was one long period of time where we see a lot of growth in the economy, where every single sector that's coming together and start to adopt machinery, adopt this latest technology back in those times. So they are able to bring their efficiency to a higher level. So right now, the what's that called? The industrial revolution. I don't know number what. Now people are talking about the fourth or fifth. I don't know. So this time around, the information age has passed. The whatever age has passed. Now we are talking about I don't know what age you want to call that. Yeah. So now there is so much more that's installed for you and I, that's installed for the current latest new generation of workforce. So workforce in the future will be powered by all this automated, all this AI technology, all this blockchain technology. Welcome him back again. Hello, Richard. Yes. So that is why
Yeah. Yeah.
when I look at these self-driving cars, how the automotive, I don't know, all
Yeah.
the cars industry, how they are already moving so far forward, not just in having a big battery to power your car for like 600 miles. Not just that, now they are talking about you not having to sit on a driver's seat. Or you can sit there, but you don't have to hold the wheel. The car will drive itself to where you want it to be. So what about in the near future? I don't know how long. Then you start to see, like we mentioned in the last video, this movie 20 years ago, 20 plus years ago, called what's his name? Fifth Element, where the cars are flying here, flying there, everywhere. So that can be possible, can be happening. Consider the fact that now we have drones. Maybe
Yeah.
perhaps we can start with drone first. For drones, this is where you should fly, where you should fly, and this is how you deliver the goods, up, down, left, right. Yeah. So those things are possible. These things are possible, depending on how and what kind of regulations government will come up with to uh, allow the economy to be safeguarded by a certain set of parameters where things don't go out of hand. Imagine you have a drone and you're just going to fly in a airspace near the airport. Then you are going to cause a lot of accidents. So there are a lot of regulations that cover certain parameters where these drones shouldn't be flying. So I think by the time governments would already have come up with certain protocols, certain regulations for that, and by then we could be possibly seeing a lot of things flying everywhere. Yeah, it's like hey, Richard, come to my place now, you know. So you zoom,
As
you,
I go to Google and
yeah,
search,
so you fly yourself
yeah,
to my place.
yeah,
So what is that?
it's
What do you have
it's
for us, Richard?
yeah, because you have said to me about the
Yeah.
blockchain technology with the self-driving car, and I try to Google to search some of the article, and some of the article is quite last year's is coming from last year is it's just the idea is not it's still not applied into the some of the car company. Yeah, uh, in some of the vision of the the CEO of the car making company like Elon Musk and some the other people, they are thinking to make how thinking how to make the self-driving road for their
Mm.
electric car, and it costs a lot of fund, a lot of money to build up the road like that. Currently now in America, they can try to use the autopilot on their Tesla car. Yeah, that's one of the latest technology to use the automatic driving car. Yeah. Um, have if you go to YouTube and try to search some automatic car self-driving, yeah, it's really interested in because they will try to keep your car have the safe distance with the others while
It's the
driving.
safe
Yeah,
distancing, huh?
yeah. Safe distance, yeah. The safe distance all is also using the same term during the pandemic. We need to have the safe
Yeah.
distance between each other.
Safe
Yeah,
distancing for the
yeah,
cars.
yeah. The safe distance for the car.
I think
To
maybe it's the because of that we human being take that from the car one
yeah,
and start to safe distancing, you know. Yeah,
yeah,
so interesting.
yeah. Okay, so let me
You know,
move on
a
to
little bit of
our
information about adding on to just now what I talked about in terms of drone
yeah,
technology. There's one article. I'm just going to read one liner from there. The global market for implementation of drone technology for business services stands
yeah,
at $127 billion. Well, that's a lot of money, and I think
yeah,
to some of the big companies, this is no big deal, you know. But it's
yeah.
127 billion.
Okay,
So all America need to do is just print more money for you to use.
yeah. Printing more money is not a good solution to let the people feel happy. As I do some research, the people say the most important to encourage people is invest in the technology, in investing in the new way to help to improve the human life. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
there's
only
this
the good way.
there's this interesting fact that I just saw. According to the FAA is the Federal Aviation Administration. So they are basically taking care of all the anything to do with airplanes, all those kind of things. So according to FAA, more than 2,000 drones were spotted by
Yeah,
pilots in 2018. That is 2 years ago. 2 years ago, the airplane, commercial airplane, or maybe it's a Boeing 737, so it's a commercial airplane. So they saw 2,000 drones during their businesses during their travels. So while some of these drones actually hit the commercial plane, you know, so imagine
oh,
these drones were to go into the engine. It's different. It's different from is different from having a bird crash into your engine, because if this big bird, eagle or whatever, I don't think eagle will be hit by an aeroplane, but usually it's just a small birds. So if these birds, normally when these birds are going into this airplane, so they will come out just like
That's
splatter everywhere. They
yeah.
are just mincemeat. Yeah.
Yeah.
But drones are different. Drones, because they are metal, they are hardware. So
Yeah.
if they go into this engine, I think they may cause quite a fair bit of damages on the engine.
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
So it's not a good idea to fly drones beyond a certain limit,
Yeah.
because you're talking about Boeing 737. You're talking about commercial planes. Unless this accidents actually happens near the airport, but that is the reason why anywhere near the airport you shouldn't be flying drones too high, because you might, before your family arrive on the airport, you might causing your family to crash. Yeah, but you don't know who is in the airplane. So it might be your relative visiting you, and then they are in the same plane that you caused the accident for.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. What is this thing that you're showing us? Record revenue for blockchain gaming competition, is it?
Okay, so now we have only about 10 minutes left for our live stream today, and I will share to all of you about the crypto market today. The
Yes.
crypto market, yeah. Everyone can see is now the Bitcoin price jumping from 9,000 plus to 9,400 the last 2 day we last 2 day during our latest live stream. Let me turn on the trading view to let the people can have a look at the crypto price from today. Trading view, yes. You all can see my screens, right? SPT.
Yeah. Fastest way to follow the market.
Okay. SPT. Crypto follow. Yeah. Now the chart is around like this.
So
Okay.
from May to July is still up down at the for what,
Yeah. Please
this
hold on.
June, mid June to July. Now is what? Now is 9th of July. So the last 1 month it has been hanging between. What is the sound? That's the feedback sound. Is it from you?
Maybe for my size when the Wi-Fi is not strong enough, so
Yeah.
it's so like that. Yeah.
It sounds
Okay.
like
Let me share.
yeah, it sounds like those lorry truck. They have this reverse sound.
Yeah. Because
So your
some of
Wi-Fi is going on reverse mode.
yeah. Okay. So we all can
Okay.
see now
So now we
the
are at 9,400, something like that, right?
yeah. Now so the chart is 9,400. You all can see from the screen. It's a little bit falling down from this
9380, right?
but
9380.
yeah, last this morning, June 11. Oh, last month is 9,800, and now it's 9
Yeah.
July. Yeah,
So I believe I think I was right when I said earlier last month that it's just going to hang between 9,000 and 10,000 for time
yeah,
being, because there are so many adjustments in terms of how the economy is going to come out of this COVID pandemic. Yeah, so of course during during what is happening in the last few months, a lot of businesses are facing a lot of problems. So
Yeah,
so in terms of those kind of confidence that users have, investors that user the confidence of the investors, they are just going to lock in at a kind of like a safe mode kind of thing. Yeah, their confidence is also under lockdown. Yeah,
yeah.
I believe
But
that's the reason why the price is not breaking through or even falling below. Probably, yeah,
yeah, when I try to draw the chart, is the this means the resistance is around 9,600. This means that
yeah,
if it break this resistance 9,600, the price will go further. If not, it will bouncing down to 9,200. Yeah, it's and I hope it's some of the people from us, they can catch the price and earn some profits. Yeah,
yeah.
um,
You have to be
yeah.
quick enough.
I
Yeah.
just hope that
So if the people are
yeah,
quick enough, they can
because
make some margin from there.
yeah, it's depend. But I also don't know how to play machine, and I just know how to buy for holding in the short term for a week or for a month. Yeah, so some of people they can buy and they hold until it's hit some resistance or it's drop into the stop loss. They can weekly sell off or weekly buy in so they can earn some little bit. I remember last a few months, one day can earn a few $100. Yeah,
Yeah,
but after that we lost a few thousand. Yeah, yeah. It's
yeah. Remember the time when was it? Let me go and take a look. Overnight it dropped. It fell 1,000 or 2,000, something like that.
yeah, that's right. Last on
Overnight
the
thing.
max, yeah, on the
So
max it fell from 7,000 to 3,000. Yeah,
which month?
on
Which month?
March when the
March.
WHO they
Is
declare about the pandemic,
seven
the
thousand
price
to
just
4,000, 4,000,
yeah,
three
yeah.
thousand
Yeah, 3008 from 7004 to 3008. Yeah, it's really yeah, it's
in
all
one
the
day,
mark
in one night,
one night.
in
Yeah,
one night.
yeah.
Wow.
That's a fell out of the crypto market and traditional market too. Traditional market like the Nasdaq index and all the index is uh dropping down, boys dropping down a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have only 2 minutes for our live stream. So let me say hello and say thank you to everyone in the live stream. Thank you, Mr. Nhịp Sống Châu Âu. Thank you, Mr. Hồng Dân quê tôi. Thank you, Mr. Khang Nguyễn. Thank you, Miss Thú Vui Hơi Thở Cuộc Sống. Thank you, Miss Hoàng Căng Vlog. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Miss Phương Hà, Family Japan, and Mr. Cam in his vlog. And thanks for your joining our live stream. Thanks for everyone watching our live stream today. And remember to give us a like and subscribe if you're still out there. Okay, now I give the word to Mr. Nicholas. Say the last word to our audience
Thank you everyone for joining us.
and
We
our
hope to
live
see
stream.
you
So,
very soon again. Yeah, maybe. When is today? Today is what? Today is
today is
Thursday, right?
Thursday, and
Yeah.
we also can yeah.
So hope to see you all again very soon. Yeah, and certainly we are planning and hoping to do more of this live conversation, live session with you guys. If there's anything that specifically that you want us to talk about, you want us to cover, you let us know. Then we can go and look at all those interesting things that you have suggested, and then we have a good discussion over that, right?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you and bye bye everyone.
Wait, let me show this. I must use.
Okay. You can show the cutting board to let the people to know. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye. See you again.
Yeah. Okay. I have